AI Auto Sites Review. Tired of grinding out blog posts, chasing keywords, and still watching your traffic flatline? Yeah, I've been there. Today we're looking at AI Auto Sites, and I'm going to tell you straight up whether it's worth your time or just another overhyped tool. AI Auto Sites is a WordPress plugin that puts your blog on autopilot. You install it, enter your niche, and the AI takes over, finding low-competition keywords, writing SEO-optimized articles, and publishing them directly to your site. No writing, no research, no manual work. At least, that's the pitch. Let's see if it actually delivers. However, before proceeding with the demo and the OTOs, please note that the link provided in the description is my affiliate link. And if you purchase through that link, you will receive some exclusive bonuses from my side. Some discount code, and they have a money-back guarantee as well. Now watch the official demo video of AI AutoSite and understand how it works.
Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to post high-traffic content on your website automatically. This saves you time and keeps your site active with content that people actually want to read. I've broken this down into 4 simple steps so you can follow along easily. We'll start with part 1, getting started with AI Auto Sites. To explore the main dashboard, first log into your AI Auto Sites account by entering your email address here. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard where all the key features are organized for easy access. Notice the GA4 Connect option in the menu, which allows you to integrate Google Analytics with your content strategy. You'll also find the documentation section here for step-by-step guidance. The dashboard shows 3 main action cards. Download plugin for installing the WordPress plugin, Connect GA4 for analytics integration, and View Docs for tutorials, along with a Getting Started checklist to guide you through the setup process. Let's start by clicking on the Download menu item to get the plugin files. On this download page, you'll find your unique license key, the plugin download button, and details about what's included with your subscription. This plugin will automatically publish SEO-optimized posts with high-traffic keywords to boost your website's search engine visibility. You've now familiarized yourself with the main dashboard and its key features. Let's go to the next step, which is how to use AI Auto Sites on your WordPress site. Once installed, you'll see the AI Auto Sites plugin is now installed and active in your WordPress dashboard. This plugin will automatically publish posts with SEO keywords and traffic-generating keywords on your website. The plugin is now installed and activated on your WordPress site. Let's go to the next step, which is to navigate the plugin's features and familiarize ourselves with the interface. To navigate the plugin's features, let's explore these quick navigation cards. You can see the seed keyword section for managing your target keywords, and the Google Trends feature that helps you discover what's currently trending. Here are additional powerful features available. You can manage image ALT tags for better image SEO, connect with Google Analytics to track your performance, access saved competition data, generate sitemaps, handle 404 redirections, and manage your authentication settings. Next, let's go to step, which is to research and select keywords for your first post. To research and select keywords, click on the Seed Keywords card here. The system automatically searches for relevant keywords and displays a comprehensive grid showing monthly search volumes and competition levels for each long-tail keyword variation. Select the keyword that best matches your content strategy by clicking on it. This will save it to your keyword list. Head to your Saved Keywords section and click the Generate Post link next to your chosen keyword to start creating content based on this research. You have successfully researched and selected your target keywords. Let's go to the next step, which is to generate and save the post content. To generate the content, click this button after the system creates the subheadings for your post. Wait while the AI generates your SEO-optimized content. This process takes just a few seconds. Once you see the success message, click here to proceed to the next step. Review the generated content in the editor. Notice how it includes proper H1, H2, and H3 headings, along with optimized images, then click Save Post. The system confirms your post is saved and automatically redirects you to the WordPress editor for final publishing. Your post content has been generated and saved successfully. Next, let's go to step, which is to review the on-page SEO and publish your content. To review your post's SEO performance, notice the SEO score button here. This powerful feature will guide you step by step through what your content might be missing for optimal search engine optimization. click the SEO score button to open the on-page SEO analysis sidebar, which shows you exactly what elements need improvement. Once you're satisfied with your content, hit the Publish button to make your post live. Your SEO-optimized post is now published and live on your website. Next, let's go to Step, which is to discover trending topics using Google Trends. To discover trending topics, click on Google Trends here in the menu. Change the country drop-down to your target location. In this case, we'll select United States to see what's trending there. The page will load the current trending topics for your selected country, giving you fresh content ideas that are already gaining popularity online. You have identified the trending topics that align with your content strategy. Let's go to the next step, which is to save these trends as keywords in the plugin. To save trends as keywords, select the trending topics that interest you by clicking their checkboxes, then click Save Seed Keywords to add them to your database. The system will save your selected keywords and navigate between the Google Trends and Seed Keyword sections to confirm the save. You'll now see your saved trending keywords listed on the Seed Keywords page, ready for content generation. Select all your saved keywords and click on any specific keyword to populate the search field, which will generate related keyword suggestions for your content strategy. Next, let's go to Step, which is to create an automatic posting schedule. To create an automatic posting schedule, we'll first check out the Google Analytics integration by clicking here. This shows your Google Analytics dashboard where you can track search rankings and content performance. Let's scroll down to see the available data. Head over to the Saved Keywords section to see your stored keywords. Click on Auto Post Schedule to access the powerful automation feature. Hit Create Schedule and give your automation a descriptive name in this field. Select one of your saved keywords from the dropdown, then set how often you want posts created. You can choose daily, every few days, or weekly intervals. Configure the specific posting time. Decide how many blog posts you want generated, and choose whether posts should be published immediately or saved as drafts for your review. Select the appropriate category where these automated posts should be organized on your website. Click Save to activate your automatic posting schedule. The AI will now start creating and posting content to your WordPress site based on these settings. Your automatic posting schedule is now configured and ready to execute. Let's go to the next step, which is to run the automatic posts and review the logs to confirm everything is working properly. To run the schedule, you'll see your newly created schedule here in the list with control options like Run Now, Pause, and Delete. Click the Run Now icon to execute your schedule immediately. The system automatically takes you to the logs page to track the progress. Here you can monitor all activities including schedule creation and content updates like image ALT text modifications. Use the Clear All Logs button to reset your log history when needed. Navigate back through the menu by clicking Authentication, then return to Logs to verify the clearing process. The Empty Logs page confirms everything has been cleared, giving you a fresh start for monitoring your automated content posting activities. Your schedule is now running and you know how to check the logs. Your site will automatically post high-traffic content without you lifting a finger. You're all set.
I hope you understand how AI Auto Sites does its magic. It is a low one-time offer. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity. If you want to check out AI Auto Sites at any point, go ahead and click the link in the description. Now let's see the OTOs, the one-time offers. First, there is the AI Auto Sites front end. To check all the OTOs, check the link in the description. The first OTO is AI Auto Sites Unlimited. Unlimited sites, content, and campaigns with enhanced performance, perfect for agencies and power users scaling multiple niches simultaneously without restrictions. Second OTO is the Done For You edition. Ready-made websites and funnels with pre-built content and monetization strategies, perfect for beginners launching instantly without technical skills or setup. Third OTO is Traffic Booster. Drive targeted, buyer-ready traffic automatically to your sites, boosting rankings and conversions effortlessly, no SEO or advertising expertise required. Fourth OTO is AutoFunnels. Automatically create high-converting funnels with proven templates, turning traffic into leads and repeat customers. Fully automated, zero manual work required. Fifth OTO is Profit Maximizer. Unlock advanced monetization tools and multiple income streams, turning simple sites into full profit machines with increased recurring revenue. Sixth OTO is Agency Edition. Create, sell, and manage AI website services for clients from one dashboard. Build a full digital agency with commercial license included. 7th OTO is the reseller. Resell AI auto sites as your own product, keeping 100% profits. Sales pages, funnels, and support all handled for you. Lastly, the 8th OTO is WhiteLabel Edition. Rebrand the entire platform with your logo and name, building a fully branded software business instantly, ideal for entrepreneurs and SaaS builders. Now, here are the premium level bonuses that you will be receiving inside the members area once you decide to purchase. These are other than my own bonuses. You came here looking for answers, and now you have them. AI Auto Sites is your shortcut to a self-running WordPress website that works around the clock. Click the link below, make the smart move today, and join thousands of people already automating their way to consistent traffic and real online income. Your autopilot website starts right now.